In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color swatches on Shopify using category metafields. We're going to walk through the full process step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your metafields, connect them to your products, and display color swatches on your storefront in a clean, scalable way. First, let's quickly talk about what we're trying to achieve. Color swatches are those small colored circles or squares that customers can click on to choose a variant, usually instead of a plain text drop-down. Using category metafields lets you control how these swatches look based on your product categories or collections, which is especially helpful if you have a lot of products or want a consistent setup across your store. To start, head into your Shopify admin and open your settings. From there, go to the metafields section. Instead of adding metafields directly to products, we'll focus on the category or collection metafields. This gives you one central place to manage how colors should appear for a group of products, rather than setting everything individually over and over. Create a new metafield definition for your category. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later when you're editing collections or working in your theme. For the content type, choose something that makes sense for colors, such as a single line text for color names or a color value, depending on your theme setup and how you plan to use it in your code. Once you've configured the metafield, save it. Next, go to your collections or categories. Open one of the categories you want to use for color swatches. You should now see the metafield you just created. Here, you'll enter the values that will define which colors are associated with that category. This might be a list of color names, handles, or codes that correspond to swatches in your theme. Save your collection once you're done. Now it's time to connect this to your storefront. Go to your online store, then Themes, and click Customize. Navigate to a product page that belongs to the category you just edited. In many modern themes, you can hook metafields directly into blocks or dynamic sources. Look for the section where your product options or variants are displayed. You'll reference the category metafield you created so the theme can display the right swatches based on the category settings. Depending on your theme, you may also need a small amount of custom liquid or JSON editing. This usually involves checking the metafield on the product's collection or category, then using that data to render the correct color swatch styles or images. Finally, preview your product page on both desktop and mobile. Click through the swatches to make sure they're changing the variants as expected and that the colors match what you've defined in your metafields. Once everything looks good, publish your changes, and your customers will now see clean, consistent color swatches powered by your category metafields.